Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is why vaping should be banned along with cigarettes. Why vaping should be banned along with cigarettes. Why vaping and cigarettes should be banned. So whenever I came across things like something should be banned, something should not be banned. Yeah, and most of the time I fail to take such hard stance on things like that. I don't know basically, but what I would do is I would just share my perspective towards about banning the cigarettes and uh, banning the cigarettes and the vaping. uh, Cigarette vaping is just like a form of cigarette. So let's first talk about cigarettes, why cigarettes should be banned. So one of the core reason that cigarettes should be banned because it has no benefits, health benefits. It is actually, it has very downsides if you smoke, and it took scientists around like 30 years to prove that smoking causes cancer. So why still people smoke and why still it's allowed in the society? Number one, because it is a huge contributor to this tax economy. So that is the one of the reason that governments are hesitant to ban it. Second, the stance I would take is that I believe that banning is not a solution, and it is serving a very important purpose. That is, it is providing revenue to the government, although it's sin revenue. But I will just lay out. It should not be banned, but it should not be. Uh, you know, people smoke. People should not smoke just because it's a fashion. So we should put various regulation around that, so that whenever the newer generation is coming, I mean, they should not see the star and just, yes, that person smokes and it's a style. That we should not uh, allow that to happen. So what we can do is we should ban uh, the cigarette advertisements, and I think government has been trying in this direction. They are putting warnings and those bad pictures in the three-fourths of the cigarette packets. Still this sale of these cigarettes hasn't gone down, right? But it's a essential step, because after some time when people look at those packets and they will feel that it is harmful, right? And we should not and there will be a regulation on the advertisement as well. So whenever the newer generation comes and they uh, mostly adopted because they saw on a screen maybe some actor was smoking and it looked cool, that's why they started it. Maybe it was became a culture kind of thing when they went to the college or school. So my personal opinion would be not to ban it because it's a huge contributor to that tax, but it should be regulated, and it should be regulated heavily. We should lay down, we should think about as a society what are the moral obligations we should put. So thank you, that's it.